Danny is an enthusiastic traveler who works for a global organization. He travels frequently every year, for work and personal reasons. Danny needs to work while he travels. He uses his laptop remotely from everywhere. He isn't sure what measures need to be taken to ensure his and his company's data stays safe while he travels. He calls the organization's IT department to ask, and they give him a few tips. Make sure your data is encrypted, use laptop disk encryption, file encryption or any other available method. Company devices are encrypted by default in most cases. Use a strong password, or preferably a passphrase. Avoid using simple passwords that are easy to guess or crack. Use multi-factor authentication where possible. Most applications and systems offer another type of authentication in addition to passwords. Biometric is one of those. Soft token is also another way of multi-factor authentication. You can use a piece of software on your phone to confirm any authentication activity. Google or Microsoft authenticators are examples of this. Make sure you have an up-to-date anti-malware solution installed on your laptop. Make sure the latest security patches are installed on your laptop. Windows Update is a good location to check. Windows security settings is another good location to look for any possible security issues. And finally, use a VPN to connect to the internet. Using public wireless is risky, and VPN will help you to encrypt your traffic and hide from possible eavesdroppers.